Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to update firmware of your dashcam. In the beginning, make sure that your dashcam is connected to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Next, go to VANTRUE. And now, go to Me. Here, press Firmware Update and download it. Now, transfer to Dashcam immediately. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.